Hi everyone, I'm super excited to show you the advancement with BIPQUANTUM. As soon as you create your account using a Gmail or a custodial wallet, so you get in this dashboard. You have AI assistant creation where you can talk with the LLM model trained in US copyright. First of all, you validate your level of understanding in IP. Let's say I'm a beginner. You have a guided here, and you can ask any question about IP. For example, how to pre-patent my AI LLM model, right? So what happened here, we're gonna scrap the US copyright as a base of data, and the information will be adapted to your level of understanding, which is a beginner. And at the same time, you have a funnel, exactly as you're talking to an intellectual property lawyer. Are you looking for organization, monetization, protection? Let's say I'm looking for monetization. This is the answer, by the way, because I was moving too fast. Right, he give you step by step the guide, except you're not paying $570 an hour, so you get exactly like relevant information. So you can go through all these steps to generate your certificate, your pre-patent. Let's say it's physical, digital, or both. Let's say for me it's digital. And soon we're going to offer US copyright certificate. So far we offer blockchain intellectual property certificate. So super simple. I add the image of my creation. I have it here in download, right? And I have my creation title. I'm using an AI for that. So let's say here I'm chronophoton getaway, like time travel machine using quantum physics. And I have the description of my IP, which is super important, exactly as pre-patenting process. Again, I copy paste it. I go here in description. I can put it bigger. Bam. And what type of IP I have. Let's say I'm going through a pre-patenting IP section. You can use it for gamification. You can use it for advertisement. You can use it for meta use, for metaverse. You can virtually reproduce it, and also you can physically reproduce it. My percentage of royalties, everyone, when someone use my license, I'm looking for 20% of IP, of royalty, sorry. And it's published. Let's say here I'm in Canada. And I go to step 2, which is my personal information validations. Yes. Digital signature, exactly what we have in intellectual property offices. I certify I'm the owner of this IP. And that's it. Like you can see, less than 2 minutes, I was able to generate my certificate. Congratulations here. I can manage my IP. Here I have all the informations, my IP type. I can, of course, I can view my certificate here. The certificate, okay, takes some time, but certificate will be minted in blockchain and showed in a PDF to be able to send it and receive it. And the most important, I can list my IP. So I go here, I define my value for now using the utility token named BQC, would be able to give you the ability to list in Bitcoin also. Let's say I'm looking for selling my travel machine for 1,000 BQC. Let's say one BQC is $1, for example. Yes, I confirm. It's not expensive, but the idea is to show an example here. Success. So when I go, here is all my IPs, all my assets are here. And here is the marketplace, exactly as a simple e-commerce, except you are buying a specific IP with existing license ready to be used, right? So you have the balance here of your tokens, and you can buy any asset. Imagine that used for medicine, for generic medicine, for architecture like here, for design, for industrial design. And this is the revolution, how we see the future of IP. Thank you.